This gruesome sculpture depicts a scene from the Inferno by the Renaissance poet Dante. Ugolino, the tyrant of Pisa, is locked in a tower with his sons and grandsons to starve. The boys beg him to eat them so he will live.
With this sculpture, Carpo kickstarts the Romantic period of sculpture, moving on from Neoclassicism. In Dante's story, before dying, the children begs their father to eat their bodies. Here is the passage from the Inferno. "Father, our pain," they said, "will lessen if you eat us. You are the one who clothed us with this wretched flesh. We plead for you to be the one who strips it away." And I, already going blind, groped over my brood, calling to them, though I had watched them die for 2 long days. And then, hunger had more power than even sorrow over me. Carpo is depicting the moment of decision, Ugolino's transition from man to monster as he decides to eat his kin. Depicting the moment the decision is made is something Michelangelo is the master of. Even Michelangelo's seated figures are dynamic because they are milliseconds away from standing up and moving. Carpo would have known this. This sculpture is made in Rome. Carpo attended the École des Beaux-Arts in Paris, and he won the Prix de Rome in 1854, and the Prix de Rome is a scholarship to go live and study in Rome. He spent a lot of time studying Michelangelo during his stay.
Jean-Baptiste Carpo, born May 11, 1827, Valenciennes, France, died October 12, 1875, Courbevoie, the leading French sculptor of his time. His works, containing a lively realism, rhythm, and variety that were in opposition to contemporary French academic sculpture, form a prelude to the art of Auguste Rodin, who revered him.